Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Homachiglere, and today I'm going to be showing you how I install these gorgeous crochet for locks that I absolutely adore. It's super cute. Let's jump in. So this hairstyle is one of my favorite look, and I just know that somebody watching this video, after watching it and you try it on, you're just gonna look slick also, and it might turn out to be one of your favorite look just as it is mine. So I ordered this hair extension from Amazon. I usually order from Amazon, and it's my first time ordering these accessories in a pack. Usually I get them in small shops around me, but the hair extension also, when you look at it and you think you can find it in any store close to you, cool. But I'll leave the link where I order the extension and the hair accessories in the description, so for those who are interested, you can click the link and find it very easy to buy. Yes, you counted that right. 8 whole packs, and it comes with a crochet needle. This hairstyle have hair lengths ranging from 10 inches to 30 inches, but I usually love to work with the 18 inches. It depends on you, you might want it longer. To start up, your natural hair has to be single braided. I prefer when the look of my natural hair has this loosened look, because it gives the hair extension and my natural hair a very good blend. And to achieve that look, I usually weave my hair 1 week before the day of the extension, and I wash my hair a day before the installation of the crochet, the faux locks. So once your roots are clean and shiny, you're good to go. Oh, don't worry, I'll give us a closer look of how I install this. But one thing I want to show us is how long it takes me to fix in just one of these. So you can see that this is a very easy and fast procedure. And then another thing I want to say is that the pattern of your natural hair doesn't have to look perfect. If you want a natural look just like mine, don't bother about making the pattern of your natural hair perfect. That's why I said even if you weave your hair a week before, it's no biggie. You're good to go. So as you can see, each time I fix my finger there, you could tell that this hair is pre-looped. So it's very easy to install. And another thing I want to tell us is that this hair is a top synthetic fiber. You wouldn't know. And it tangles, but not so soon. It tangles so late, maybe in your third installation. And then as this hair ages, it gets more and more beautiful. You might think at your first installation that it is beautiful. Hold on to your second installation, and then you find out how gorgeous this hair has transitioned into. So did you get to know how many minutes it takes for me to do one installation? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear the answer of who got it right. Oh, pardon me, I have a 1-year-old, so I gave him cheesy to distract him, and then he brought it back to me, and then I had to munch on it. I had to take a break and munch on it. he wanted me to eat the whole of it, so I had to eat the whole of it so that he would just give me a little time for me to return back to my installation. So we're gonna be back on now. I'm done. So here we go. I pick up one strand from my hair extension and I open the loop very well. Not to worry, it's not going to spoil your hair. It's even going to help give you the natural look. And then I pick up the crochet needle that was attached to my hair extension, and I pass the crochet needle in between my natural hair, open the crochet needle, fixing the hair extension and close it, pass it through. And then when you watch closely, you would notice that I didn't pick up my natural hair. I picked up just the extension, and I'm not gonna give it a tightened. I'm not gonna give it tightened look because I want it natural. I want a natural look, so that's the reason why I loosened up the loop a little. And then this is where it is. I passed my natural hair in between the hair extension. And usually when I had my hair all black, when I had not added color to my natural hair, it was very easy for my natural hair to just hide in between this extension. But now my natural hair obviously has color on it. I added some color some months back, and so it's quite challenging to hide it in. But I'm going to show us how I finally got it hidden. If you notice very well, I'm not going to skip this part because I want you to see the challenges I also faced while going through this procedure of fixing it with my colored hair. Yes, you saw that right. I'm loosening the hair. I noticed that the root of my hair was showing much of the braids, so I had to take it out and restart the procedure. And I love this because it actually shows you that it's very easy to uninstall this hair as well, as much as it is easy to install it. So this is me now taking it step by step. This time I'm not skipping much space while fixing in my natural hair. This is how best it worked for me to give this my natural hair a hideout in the extension. Just watch as it goes. In case you have a colored hair as me, this would help you. So as the French would say, voila, it is done and set. And you can see me loosening up the roots again. As its age is going to look natural and it will be loosened up as well. So I'm just going to do the next one and I'm not going to say anything so we can concentrate and take a look. Just in case you skipped anything at the first one, just take a look at the procedure I'm going to be doing here. are the easiest installation you've ever seen. So I always recommend these hair accessories. Just join me to see why I recommend it. And hope you didn't forget about this. I'm going to leave the link in the comment section. So gold or silver, which one do I go with? Let me know in the comment section before I put it on. Let me see who gets it right. Yay, I chose gold. Did you get it right? Did you say gold? And I can always change to silver. I love silver anyways. I love the silver color. Always I use the silver color. So this is the first time I'm using the gold. So this is me fixing in my hair accessories. Just so you know how easy it is for these hair accessories to pass through, and just in case when you buy yours, you know it's so simple to attach to the hair extension. Let me just show you a few of it. And yes, you can brush out your edges with a styling gel or whatever you want, or you can leave it just like that to have the natural look. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful people. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss more easy and beautiful styles. Stay gorgeous and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay stylish, and remember, your crown is always beautiful. Thank you.